welcome to Construction Tales Safety Topics with your host, Leslie M. Jasper. This is a Construction Tales brief safety topic. In this video, I want to review with you some brief history of the ladder and some basic ladder safety tips. The oldest record of a civilization using a ladder is in picture form in the Spider Caves in Spain that date back 10,000 years ago. This does not include a biblical reference in the book of Genesis, where Jacob's dream depicts a ladder that goes from earth to heaven. Ladders are also depicted within ancient Hebrew and Egyptian cultures as well. The first patent for a ladder came from American inventor John H. Baisley back in 1862. This type of wooden ladder had hinges that made the ladder foldable for an easier means of mobilization. For a long time, the preferred material of choice for a ladder was wood, since aluminum was once an expensive material. By 1867, another inventor, Henry Quackenbush, took out for the first type of extension ladder. In 1930, inventor Sam Carbis founded a new industry with the introduction of the aluminum fire ladder for the Aluminum Ladder Company. By 1961, Louisville Ladder worked with Morrison molded fiberglass, now known as Strongwell, to develop the world's first line of portable, non-conductive fiberglass ladders. Now that we have reviewed some ladder history, let's look into some ladder safety tips. The first tip is to be sure to use the right ladder for the job. Each ladder has a maximum length and load rating. In addition to your own weight, you have to be sure that your equipment and tools do not exceed the ladder's weight limit. The worker must not use the last 2 steps of the ladder or 3 feet. Prior to even using the ladder, you must inspect it for any damage such as loose rungs, side rails, and supports. Check the ladder screws, bolts, and hinges to make sure they are tight, as well as the general stability of the ladder. Inspect the ladder for any paint, dirt, or grease that can cause slips and falls for the user. Be sure that you do not have your ladder in close proximity to an electrical power source. A wet, wooden ladder can conduct electricity and harm the ladder user. Be sure to place the base of the ladder on an even surface. Additionally, ensure that the ladder is protected in high traffic areas with a barricade. When using a step ladder, be sure that the ladder is fully opened up. When using an extension ladder, use the 4-to-1 ratio. This means that the base should be 1 foot away from the wall or vertical surface for every 4 feet of height to the point of support. When climbing onto a roof or platform from a ladder must extend it at least 3 feet above the edge and be tied off at the top. When climbing the ladder, be sure to stay near the middle of the ladder and face the ladder while climbing. The climber must maintain 3 points of contact at all times. This means that the climber must have both feet on the ladder with at least one hand on the side rails when climbing or descending. Carry your tools on a belt or hoist and always keep at least 3 limbs on the ladder. Do not carry loads that require both of your hands. Instead, hoist up the load with pulleys and a rope to the destination. Try your best to not lean outside of the ladder rails. Keep the base of the ladder and surrounding areas free of clutter. Do not use a ladder for something else other than the intended purpose. Do not use a ladder horizontally like a platform. Do not place the base of the ladder on boxes, barrels, or any other unstable bases. Most importantly, do not move or shift a ladder with either a person or equipment still on the ladder. Follow these main safety ladder tips so that you can work safely. Well, my friend, this wraps up what I have for now on ladder history, as well as major ladder safety tips. Look for the next ladder video on the different types of ladders that exist, as well as their purpose. This concludes this Construction Tales safety topic. Come back for more topics soon.